Millions of years ago, humans were not hunters. We were the hunted. Every sound could mean danger. We had no sharp claws. We had no powerful teeth. We were not the fastest animals. Many creatures were stronger than us. So how did humans survive? The answer was intelligence. Our biggest weapon was our mind. But intelligence alone was not enough. Humans learned to work together. One human was weak. A group was powerful. This changed everything. Humans discovered something amazing. We created tools. Small tools became powerful weapons. Now humans could fight back. But predators were still everywhere. The giant cats were terrifying. They had deadly claws. They had incredible strength. But humans had a secret advantage. We could think ahead. We could make plans. We could communicate and share knowledge. Every generation became smarter. Humans became better survivors. Even the strongest predators noticed. Because humans were no longer helpless. But one discovery changed everything. Fire became humanity's greatest tool. And this was the moment humans stopped running. Fire changed everything. For the first time, humans controlled the darkness. Night was no longer safe for predators. Fire gave humans warmth. It protected them from freezing. But fire had another power. It changed the food humans ate. Cooking gave humans more energy and stronger brains. Then humans discovered another advantage. Not every predator was an enemy. Some became partners. Humans and wolves changed each other. Wolves helped humans detect danger. Humans gave wolves food and protection. This partnership changed survival forever. But the biggest challenge was still hunting. Many animals were too big to fight alone. So humans created a new strategy, teamwork. A single hunter was weak. But many hunters were powerful. They could defeat animals much larger than themselves. Humans were becoming dangerous. Not because they were stronger, because they worked smarter. Every hunt taught them something new. Every mistake made them better. And predators started to fear humans. But humans had not faced their greatest enemies yet. The biggest predators were still waiting. Some were faster. Some were stronger. And some were almost impossible to defeat. But humans had one final advantage. Ancient Earth was a dangerous place. Humans were surrounded by giants. Some predators were built to kill. The saber-toothed cat was one of them. It had powerful jaws and deadly claws. Humans could not fight it alone. So humans used their greatest weapon, teamwork. They watched, they learned, they adapted. Then came another monster, the giant bear. It was stronger than any human. But humans had something else. We could predict. We could prepare. We could wait. Patience became power. Humans also faced giant crocodiles, deadly snakes, and massive predators of the ice. But humans kept surviving. Because humans changed the rules. Animals had bodies. Humans had ideas. Ideas spread faster. Knowledge became survival. Generation after generation. Humans became harder to defeat. But the biggest challenge was coming. A predator, unlike anything before. Humans would need every skill they had. Because survival was about to reach its hardest level. The Ice Age was humanity's greatest challenge. Temperatures dropped. Food became harder to find. And predators became desperate. The cold was not the only enemy. Massive creatures ruled the land. The woolly mammoth was enormous. But humans learned its behavior. They didn't attack blindly. They used strategy. Humans turned intelligence into survival. But predators were still watching. The night was dangerous. Fire kept the darkness away. Humans created their own safety. The strongest predators had one weakness. They hunted alone. Humans hunted together. That was the difference. The weak became powerful together. Slowly, humans changed the world. They survived deserts. They survived ice. They survived giants. Not because humans were stronger, because humans adapted. The real weapon was intelligence. The real power was cooperation. Together, humans defeated fear. Every predator had a weakness. Humans found it, and that changed history forever. From hunted to the most successful species on Earth. But the story of human survival is not finished yet. Ancient humans started as prey, but they became survivors. Their greatest weapon was never their body. It was their mind. Humans could imagine the future. They could learn from the past. They could share ideas. And ideas made humans stronger. Every predator had claws. Humans had cooperation. That changed the balance of nature. Animals ruled the old world. Humans created a new world. Fire gave us control. Tools gave us power. Teamwork gave us survival. But there was one final secret. Humans never stopped adapting. That made us different. Not the strongest survived. The most adaptable survived. Millions of years passed. Many species disappeared. But humans remained. Because humans had something rare. The ability to work together. The ability to create. The ability to survive anything. From hunted animals to the rulers of the planet. Our ancestors survived the impossible. They faced monsters. They faced extinction. And they gave us a future. The greatest human weapon was never a weapon, it was being human. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.